let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Well, hello, good morning. Today is, Wednesday. I'm starting the weekend vlog early because, is it weekend vlog? No, it's a weekend vlog because I have a vlog for Friday already. Maddie didn't have school today. Why is that thing back over there? Have you ever felt like you move something and it magically appears again and it's like, did it walk back over there? But anyways, I have to do my everyday routine. I'm pushing through it, but I feel nauseous. Oh, I just finished making my bed and I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. But how are you guys doing on this amazing Wednesday morning? Me, not so great. I feel really nauseous, but I gotta push through it. I have to be at work at 12 o'clock and I might go pick up some braids to do my hair because my hair is a hot mess. But I want to put the ones with the red tip in my hair. I'm out of breath. I don't feel good. I probably need to go break my fast because I'm not feeling the greatest. But I just wanted to hop on here and say hello to you guys in the middle of chaos. I have clothes from like 2 days ago that I said I was gonna put away. Hopefully I can get to putting it away today. But other than that, I don't have anything else planned. So it might be a short recording day today. So yeah, there's that. That took forever to focus. But guys, seriously. So I found these keto pancake little pouch thingy. Hey baby. I'm not going anywhere. But okay, I'll take them off. Does that make you feel any better? Okay, I took them off. She doesn't like me having shoes on because she feel like I'm gonna be. Where's my pressure cooker? Did I show y'all my pressure cooker I did the other day? That's a beast. If you don't own an Instapot, I don't know where you've been, which rock you've been hiding under. But the birch pancake keto thing, so good. Tastes amazing. I just had it just now for brunch, lunch, whatever. I didn't break my fast. I ended up breaking at 12. But I used it with the sugar-free syrup, maple flavor syrup, and I had 2 little eggs, spinach egg thingies, and my coffee, and it was the bomb. And I found something special, guys. It's a Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. You know that thing is like good with everything. So that's what I had. The twins are making their lunch right now. I didn't pick up the free lunch this week for their school because I get pandemic EBT through the state for 3 of my children. My other 2 kids, the 2 private school kids, they don't receive pandemic EBT because they're not in public school. So I only get pandemic EBT for the twins and Madison because they're in public school. So I didn't pick up the free lunch because I feel like that's just way too much food on top of our already food budget and stuff. It's just too much. It's too much. So I didn't pick it up this week. Came in handy when we didn't have pandemic EBT, and you know, it was amazing because when you live in the county that we live in, every child get free lunch regardless of your income, versus back in Maryland you had to qualify for free lunch, and my kids took lunch to school because we didn't qualify for free lunch. You know what I mean? So here it's not based on your income, which is amazing because yeah, I feel like every child should get free lunch regardless of their parents' income. Yes baby, later. Why are we yelling? Inside voice. Okay, inside voice. What do you watch? You love watching that little girl, A for Adley. Oh, annoying.
No.
But I'm getting ready to go edit a video. I just posted Wednesday's video, so if you guys are not watching that, please go check it out. I'm trying to stay consistent. So I'm gonna go start on Friday's vlog. It's Wednesday, so I'm gonna go start on Friday's vlog, and you guys are probably gonna see this vlog for Monday. Yo. Good morning guys, and welcome to the weekend vlog. So of course Rob is in charge of the weekend. I have the twinsies. They're getting so tall, they're practically like grown little men. And then I have little guy right here.
You want to turn right?
Oh dang.
It's on page 4.
And then Maddie and Destiny upstairs. Girls are upstairs. I was cooking me breakfast. Oh, he actually finished. He said he meant to make me an omelet, and and he scrambled it. The pot, I need to get him a good pot because I need to get him a better pan. Hi, good morning, happy Saturday, happy Sabbath, happy whatever you want to call it. No, don't sidetrack me when I'm doing something, please. Don't do that. I don't like that. Don't ask me questions when I'm busy doing something, because then I'm gonna say yes to something that I shouldn't be saying yes to. These folks lost privilege to their tablets and stuff, so I don't know what's going on. So he's running up on me asking me for no. Got some coffee in the cup right here. Y'all go to work at 10. Is it 10, baby? 12? It's 10. Janelle! Janelle! What time do you work? 10. So we gotta drop her off in like 30 minutes. And then after that, ooh, wow. After that, I don't know what we're doing for Mother's Day, which is tomorrow, Sunday. I think Rob is going to his mom. We're going to his mom's for Mother's Day. That way he can spend time with her. Okay, pick 4. So that's the plan for the weekend. Today I don't know what we're doing because if you know, we're 7-Day Adventists, so we don't really do much on Saturdays. We just kind of like hang out, probably go to parks or something, or go walking. But it's raining right now. I don't know if it's supposed to continue raining for the entire weekend, but it rained this morning, so I don't know how much walking we're gonna be doing. I asked Rob to take me to Lululemon because I want to get a biker shorts for the summer. I want to get 2 pairs of biker shorts for the summer, and I feel like they have the best biker shorts. So that's my Mother's Day present. Usually he don't buy anything for Mother's Day because his motto is every day is Mother's Day, so he don't really feed into that. Anyways, that's the plan for right now. If anything changes, I'll come back on here and let you guys know. But anyways, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. I forgot the camera. I knew I was leaving something when I left out, but I couldn't turn back. So we went to Fairfax and we went grocery shopping for tomorrow. We're gonna do barbecue at his mom's house. Sure enough, forgot the camera. Did I drop something? Or is that you? Come on, Jack.
I'm sorry.
Look alive, look alive.
I have my mother-in-law's gift in here. I went.
No.
Okay, that's enough. So, anyways, Rob took me shopping for Mother's Day. Yay! Told y'all that's where I was gonna go. I am so excited to do a little haul for you guys. Let me show y'all all the goodies. I got 3 pieces. I got a tie, a sports bra, and biker shorts. And I got the 6-inch biker shorts in black. What's the color? Yeah, I got this in black. And then I got the Align legging and rosemary. So this is what it looks like, and this is the 25-inch height. And I got this energy bra in white. So I'm gonna try them on later for you guys so you see what it looks like on. So that's what I got for Mother's Day. I'm gonna take out all the Jamaican food and then do a little haul for you guys, and then I think that's gonna be it for today, and then we're gonna go to his mom's tomorrow and vlog a little bit of that, and then you guys are gonna see this on Monday. So all right, let's do this real fast. Let me turn on the light. All right, so I got some cornmeal. I have some white yam, carrot, ginger, chicken feet, rib belly, some brown burnt cow skin. This is for today's meal. We have some short ribs and chicken. That's for Rob. I picked up some flour because we need flour. We have ketchup, lima bean because I didn't have the one in the can. I got some codfish for Aki and saltfish. Got some habanero pepper, some red onion, thyme, scallion, plenty of it, white potato. Over here we have hominy. I have different hominy. I have the white one, and then I have the, yeah, so I have a bunch of white hominy corn because I will be making porridge for the kiddos. And then there's supposed to be white ones. And then I got a mondongo. This is beef tripe. Ackee in salt water. So that's for my ackee and saltfish. I picked up some hibiscus because I'm gonna make some sorrel. Chocolate chip for pancake. Rob gets his own seasoning. He uses different seasoning from what I use. So that's his. And then this is also his. That's what he cooks with. I don't really mess with that. This is Madison. We have some black beans, red kidney beans. There's a bag missing. I can tell you right now there's a bag missing. We have some garlic, different chicken noodle flavor soup. So we got the cock, we have the pumpkin, and we have the chicken. I got some green banana, and I found this and decided I want to try it. It's a chicken wings jerk. I want to try it. Got a ton of oxtail. This was $52, but it's 5 pounds. It should feed all of us. There's a bag missing. Found the missing bag. So I picked up some soy sauce. This is avocado oil. Mojo, that's what Rob cooked with. Scotch bonnet, hot sauce, Maggi sauce, and yellow hominy corn. This is the golden one. I got 2 of that. And then I got a ton of butter beans. And that's it. That was, I spent, how much did I spend? 257 or 7. Yeah, but it was quite expensive because of the oxtail. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. He thought it was a picture.
No, I saw it recorded.
Happy Mother's Day, guys. Going to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. I need, hold on. Juju move. This is not for you. But, yeah. I've been needing a lot of stuff before I leave out of my house. Oh, I think I see. Oh, it's so, oh God, it's raining. No. But it's supposed to be a good day. Everybody got my purse. Is my purse in here?
Mommy! Mommy!
Good morning.
Mommy!
Good morning.
Mommy!
Good morning.
Mommy!
Good morning.
Mommy!
Did you get your hairbrush? We're here. I don't know why we're whispering. Rob is about to grill. It's cloudy outside, so the lighting is not that great.
It's very cloudy.
Let me show you.
Bueno, y después, para 4 tazas te va a llevar una taza más o menos de agua o de leche.
Rob is starting up the grill.
El coso que pusieron en el baño tuyo.
Sí.
Del que para sacar el aire. ¿Él lo pasó para afuera del techo? ¿O solo lo pasó para
This is
afuera
the
del
new
techo? ¿O solo
backyard.
para arriba?
No, sacó para, no, creo que lo sacó para arriba, no tenés que mirarlo.
Got his
Pero no
garden
se ve
down here.
No se ve
More
para
garden down there. He did a good job cleaning up this yard. But he had a lot of plants. I think he's gonna have another garden down here.
Sí. Pero eso lo estaba mirando y yo no me acuerdo, no te había preguntado porque si eso solo está
Oh,
para
this
el
is so
ático,
warm. So we're gonna have salmon
tiene que ir
and short
para
ribs
para afuera.
for lunch. Well, it's technically dinner now because it's after 12 o'clock. So that's
Toma
what we're
tiempo.
gonna do.
Pero digo,
Oh, I have to share?
No, it's okay. I'll sit
Okay.
here.
I can help you.
I guess
Voy a traer este. ¿A quién le falta cuchillo?
I need a fork.
Honey de
The knife?
the knife.
The fork is under your plate.
No.
You good?
Something. It makes her funny.
Dinner was amazing. We're waiting for cheesecake. Cheesecake! Egg and cheese!
casi te traigo un cheesecake.
Cheesecake! I'm sorry to eat some cheesecake! I love cheesecake. Ew. That's nasty.
I love it too.
I'm so full. Look like I have a whole little food baby. My little jelly bean. Look at it from the side. Oh. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Look at that profile. I'm big. I'm like a huge house.
¿Va a comer ese pan? Ese pasa, pan.
Stop eating bread.
Mhm. I like it. Oh well.
Birdo.
Look at him. I don't know how he can just eat bread. Apple!
That reminds me of that.
I'm just sitting here patiently waiting for my cheesecake.
But I'm gonna make some space when
What?
I my stomach.
I'm joining the family. I'm joining the family.
What are you doing? Get off. You're done. Sit down.
Oh, what is that? Oh, there go our pet fly. Remember our pet fly that followed us to Ocean City? He's back.
Jimmy.
No, he's back. What was his name?
Jimmy.
Jimmy?
Steve.
Jerry?
Jerry.
What's his
Steve.
name, Jerry or Steve?
No, Jerry.
I don't know.
Jerry. He was in the
Our
back
pet
of the car.
fly.
Named
He was in the
Jerry.
back of the car, and we were so scared to open the windows because we thought we were gonna lose him.
Mhm.
But in the end, when we got to Ocean City, he flew out. I think he drowned. So that was the end of our pet fly,
He's
Jerry.
probably in poop right now.
He's living
He's
life
probably
right
no, he's dead.
now. Yeah.
He said,
Sí.
Wait, you must have enjoyed it because hey, yo, there's some food.
I'll let y'all know if I get my cheesecake.
I want to go somewhere.
Okay, then learn how to drive.
understand English and Spanish. Vamos.
Everybody here wants to go to Target.
I'm gonna
Please,
This guy is telling them we're going home. Look at all the faces.
But it's the weekend, Paula.
No.
We're always at home.
I have a lot of children.
Because you stay home.
And 1, 2,
No, Jerry, get out of
3, 4, 5.
That's
Get out of
Where's Jerry? Jerry's back? Oh, that's Steve now. That's a new guy.
on the wall.
That's Ted.
guys.
It's a new guy.
Cuando se mete una mosca al carro le dan un nombre. Sí, así. La mosca. Una vez cuando estábamos yendo para Ocean City, se metió cuando estábamos yendo a la casa. Todo hasta Ocean City.
Her diabetes just spiked.
You have to buy.
Yeah, we bought you a fancy cake.
Cheesecake but sugar free.
Sugar free? That's why I told you, Rob. Sugar free.
No creo que tenían sugar free. ¿Hacen sugar free cheesecake así?
No.
Just a mini one.
Si lo haces por pedido, sí.
Entonces solo puedes comer un pedacito.
Eat this.
We got cheesecake in the house. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh.
I did it.
This is like food porn at its greatest. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys. So good. These
What?
Lipton
Nothing.
Diet Green Tea. Thank you so much. Same to you, ma'am. Mixed berry, 0 calories. Our life. They're heaven. Heaven.
Don't count the calories.
Chocolate.
And the cheesecake, I'm done. I'm not counting nothing
Chocolate.
today.
Chocolate.
Nothing I eat today counts.
No tienen más.
Look on Rob. Nugget Nova, the nice and swell up.
Pepita.
Looking like a big old bullfrog in the garden.
Pepita chicken.
Pepita.
Pepita pollo.
Pepita, right, Pepita pollo.
Anyways, folks, I think this is the end of
Chicken
today's
nugget.
vlog.
Ya si será ambicioso,
Happy
¿no?
Mother's Day.
Que todos se
Every
fueron a la
single
soda
mother
menos el jugo. Si será ambicioso.
out there. I hope you guys had an amazing day. And I will see you guys on what, Wednesday? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.